The one thing that rich people buy that poor people don't, the answer is going to surprise you, and I want to tell you now what that is. There are a lot of things rich people can buy that poor people can't, but there's one thing that's available to both classes that poor people don't buy. If you were to start buying this one thing, you would actually go from broke to having some money, or poor to middle class, or middle class to wealthy. That's how important this one thing is. But the problem and why poor people don't buy it is because of the real estate between their ears. What do I mean by that? It's the mindset. If you don't have the right mindset about money, you're not going to understand what I'm talking about. But what do you think it is? Because it's not that difficult. The one thing that rich people buy that poor people don't is an asset. What is an asset? Think about it. An asset is something that over time increases in value. A non-asset is something that doesn't increase in value. So let me give you an example. If you buy real estate, or if you buy a Rolex watch, let's say for example, those are actually two assets. Real estate has a certain appreciation and it goes up in value, a lot more than most likely that Rolex watch. However, either one of those items, if you were to wait 10 years, you could most likely sell that item for more money than you bought it. And that's what constitutes an asset. If you're not buying assets, with most of you who are watching this, or most of you people that are poor, it's because you're spending your money on non-assets. What do I mean? A car, for example. I'm not saying we don't have to buy a car, but we don't have to go buy a car that's, bankrolling us. Think about it. Buying a car, as soon as you pull out of the driveway of the car dealership, if I'm not mistaken, I don't know the exact statistic, but if I'm not mistaken, that asset drops in value almost 10%. Now, why would you spend money investing in something that you're going to lose money on? It just doesn't make sense. But that's what poor people do. So I want to be very, very clear that the first step, if you're struggling with money, is you got to work on what's between your two ears, the real estate between your two ears. Screw your mindset into place. Get your mindset straight. Stop spending your money on non-assets and losing money, and invest in an asset where in 10 years you can make a return on your money. And if you want to find out about real estate, which is an excellent investment, check out kenvanliew.com and make it a great day.